operate the charging system on your Pro XD Kinetic, follow these steps. Your Polaris electric vehicle can receive a charge from multiple kinds of power sources. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by opening the charge compartment door. Make sure to wipe away any accumulated mud or debris in or around the charge compartment. Do not use tools to clean terminals. Use compressed air, cloth, or, if necessary, low-pressure water to clean the charge compartment. Then, open the charge port cover and insert the EVSE charging plug into the charger socket until you hear an audible click sound. Once the vehicle begins charging, the vehicle display will switch to the charging screen. The vehicle will charge continuously until fully charged. The vehicle will not be drivable while the EVSE charging plug is connected. Charge performance may vary as a result of ambient temperatures affecting internal battery temperature. Refer to your owner's manual for charging best practices. Once ready to resume operation, remove the EVSE charging plug. Finally, reattach the charge port cover and close the charge compartment door. Operating the vehicle with the port cover or compartment lid open may allow dirt and debris to enter the charging terminals. The high-voltage battery pack on your vehicle is equipped with automatic heaters that sense when the battery's internal temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows your vehicle to operate normally in below freezing conditions. If the battery temperature falls below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the battery heaters will activate when the vehicle is charging or the key switch is in the on position. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.